Have you ever found yourself needing to make multiple requests in JavaScript, only to feel overwhelmed by the complexity? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to make multiple Axios requests using a dynamic array of links. I totally get it. Trying to fetch data from multiple sources can be a real headache, especially when you're not sure how to structure your requests. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I use an array of links to perform multiple GET requests with Axios and then set the state with the results?" This is a common scenario when working with APIs, and it's a great question. So what's the issue here? When you have an array of URLs, you need a way to loop through them, make requests, and handle the responses efficiently. This is where Axios shines, allowing you to manage multiple requests seamlessly. And stick around. I have a special tip at the end that will help you optimize your requests even further. You won't want to miss it. To begin, the user should create an array of links that they want to fetch data from. This array will be used to perform multiple Axios GET requests. Next, the user needs to map over the links array to create an array of promises. Each promise will represent an Axios GET request for each URL in the array. After that, the user can use Axios' all method to execute all the promises simultaneously. This will allow them to wait for all requests to complete before proceeding. Once the requests are completed, the user can process the responses. They can map through the results to extract the desired data and then update the component's state using setState. Finally, the user should handle any potential errors that may occur during the requests. This can be done using a catch block. Fun fact, did you know that Axios is named after the Greek word for worthy? It's definitely worthy of your time when it comes to making HTTP requests. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests using promise.all instead of axios.all. This method allows you to handle multiple Axios requests efficiently. The user emphasizes that axios.all is essentially a polyfill for promise.all. Additionally, the user introduces an async await version for cleaner syntax. This method simplifies the handling of asynchronous code and improves readability. Here's that special tip I promised. Consider using async and await for cleaner code when making multiple requests. It can make your code easier to read and maintain. And there you have it. You now know how to make multiple Axios requests using a dynamic array of links. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.